The Solo is a special car to me because it is so unique.
It's not a covered motorcycle. It's not a, something for Sunday drive. This is something that, we want to make your drive to work fun, and that's why a single-seater, central driving position is a blast to drive, but it has to hit all those markers. Defrosting, windshield wiping, good visibility.
So 86% of the time when people travel to work, they travel by themselves. So what we're saying is leave your four-seater sedan, your SUV at home, drive this car to work, drive it back, drive it when you're on your own, because trust me, when I drive the Solo, that's all I drive.
The mission was really the Beetle for the 21st century, and I think there's lots of different things that we're packaging into this little car, but I think electric is not an option. Electric is a future. It's a reality.
It's a 16 kilowatt motor. It's all electric. It's got a 2 charging, a 110 and a 220. It charges up in about 3.5 hours and can go 100 miles or more on a charge. And I think the goal in mind is to kind of witness the last gas station in the United States and Canada going out of business. We're here at CES right now in Las Vegas, and today we're obviously on the show floor here with the Solo, just showing off the vehicle and talking to consumers and potential customers about the vehicle.
We are really just a few short months away from being able to actually put one of our products in your driveway, and so we thought there's no better place to get things going than at CES in Las Vegas this year.
This morning we did a podcast interview on Internet of Things. We also had CNBC that came by. We've got NBC coming by a little bit later today. We've got Showstoppers tonight, which is a media event. So the press request that we've received here from being at CES and being at Showstoppers and doing the things that we've done previous to this has really gotten people excited. It's been enormous interest from a media perspective.
If you have a fresh idea, if you can bring something to market that is different and can fit even a small niche, you can make a difference. That's what we're trying to do, just show people that there is an option.